Let me show you this nonsense if I can get down there. I don't know if I can, let's see it or not. Once you get all of this bullshit and get your goddamn hand on it. This is how you have to tighten it. And it's like fucking SpongeBob. 3 weeks later, and you're still turning that motherfucker by hand. Because you can't get shit in there. Because you don't own a stubby fucking 15 millimeter. Because they didn't give you that in the fucking manual. Fuck. People don't show you the fucking hardships. I should have showed you getting the motherfucker out. I'm so pissed. Alright, we're gonna see if we can get something out. Jesus Christ.